Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe something old that your family has kept. You should say what the thing is, what it looks like, what it is used for, and explain why your family has kept this thing for a long time.
One old thing that my family has kept is an antique wooden clock. The clock is a tall grandfather clock, and it has been in my family for generations. The clock is made of dark wood, and it has intricate carvings and details on the face and the sides. It stands about 6 feet tall and has a pendulum that swings back and forth. The clock is used for telling time, but it's also a decorative piece that adds character to any room. It has a chime that rings on the hour, which adds a nostalgic touch to the atmosphere. My family has kept this clock for a long time because it's a family heirloom that has been passed down from generation to generation. It has sentimental value and is a reminder of our family's history and traditions. My great-grandfather acquired the clock over a century ago, and it has been cherished by my family ever since. It's a symbol of our family's legacy, and it reminds us of our ancestors and their values. Over the years, the clock has required maintenance and repairs, but my family has taken care of it and made sure that it continues to work properly. It's a special piece that we will continue to pass down to future generations, and it will always hold a special place in our family's history. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.